In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Fintokei account and explore our free trial options. Let's get started. To buy a Fintokei program, just click Start Now on the homepage or head to the Program section. Customize your purchase by picking your program type, account currency, and trading platform. Make sure to choose the platform you really want to work with, as it won't be possible to change it later. Once you have decided, choose your account size and review the program details. Then, fill in your info: first name, last name, phone number, we won't call, promise, nickname, email, and address. Keep in mind that Fintokei cannot accept residents of all countries, so be sure to check our list of restricted or temporarily restricted countries by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Got a discount coupon? Enter it here and agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy, then hit Proceed to Payment. Now, take your time to review your summary before choosing the payment method: credit debit card, wire transfer, or cryptocurrency. Now it's our turn. We'll quickly create your account and send your login details for My Fintokei, where you can track your progress, polish your skills in EDU zone, request payouts, and buy more challenges. You'll also get your trading platform credentials to start trading. If you are not ready to commit yet, try our free trial option. It lets you test some of our programs without paying the entry fee. To get started, click the Try Fintokei for Free button on our homepage or in the Trading Programs section. Choose the free trial version of the program and trading platform you want. Make sure to pick the platform you really want, as you can't change it later. Fill in your details, choose a password and address. Then agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then hit Request Free Trial. You'll receive an email with your platform and My Fintokei credentials, and you'll be ready to dive into the free trial version of the Fintokei program. So that's how you create an account or start a free trial with Fintokei. If you have any other questions, be sure to check our FAQs for the most up-to-date information. Don't hesitate to contact our customer support if you need further assistance. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and happy trading.